If you want someone to chase you, this is exactly how you do it. You only need two things. You need to have patience, and you need to have willpower. This is not for the weak. If you're clinging, it's not for you. Number 1, stop initiating conversation. Stop initiating calls, texts, all that stuff. Because they can't chase you if you're running in their direction. If you know what I mean by that, they cannot chase you if you're running in their direction. So, stop initiating these conversations. Let them reach out to you first. Number 2, live your best life. Self-growth. Hit the gym. Focus on making money. Focus on your family, hanging out with your friends. Live your best. Genuinely live the best life and become the best version of yourself. Because people only miss you when they see you have moved up and moved on. They cannot miss you if you're staying stagnant and becoming the same person. You've got to be the best version of yourself. Then they will start to miss you and want you. And I'm not the type of person who teaches playing games and messing around with people's feelings, but you have to understand the game so you don't get played, so you know what to do.